Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is MD Akhtaruzzaman, ID 242332660. My presentation topic is three-phase circuits. Here is my presentation slide. Let's explore. First of all, we have to know about the introduction of three-phase circuit. What is three-phase circuit? A three-phase circuit consists of three simulation voltages of equal magnitude and frequency displaced by 120-degree phase angle. Here the three-phase circuit angle is 120 degree and common in power generation, transmission and industrial application. We can use it in industrial application. Then my next slide is the connection of three-phase circuit. There are two types of connection. One is Y connection and other is delta connection. Y connection, we can explain connection that is connected to a common natural point. Here we can see the Y connection photograph. We can see that a common connection in this photo. And then if we see the delta connection, the phase connected in closed loop, we can see the picture of delta. The connection will connected in a closed loop. Then my next slide is balanced system and unbalanced system in three-phase circuit. Balanced system, we can see that that the balanced system, all phase are equal impedance and equal current and voltage. In balanced systems we can see all the elements are equal. On the other hand, in unbalanced system we can see the phase impedance different and require complex analysis. Then my next slide is balance YY connection. If we look at my slide, you can see the YI connection system. YI connection system is a source and load connection system. Here both source and load are connected in Y configuration, typically used in power transmission system with a natural wire. Then my next slide is balanced Y delta connection. Y delta connection is source in connected in Y and load is connected in delta. And common in transformer connected and industrial system. Here is a common point. We can see that it's connection in industrial system and transformer. Then my next slide is application in three-phase circuits. We usually apply this circuit in power generation and transmission. Three-phase instruction motors, especially industrial motor, is three-phase instruction motors and heavy machinery. The most important uses of three-phase is renewable energy system. We can mostly use this system in this process. Here is my presentation. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.